So today we will give some glimpse of homeopathic application on the basis of observation. Observation, if you are a really good observer with proper knowledge of materia medica, then you can save lot of times, or you can come to the conclusion for a group of medicine or even only one medicine also. That depends on what type of disease they are suffering and what medicine you are selecting and how far your observation is correct, because we always rely on the symptoms which is persisting, but definitely it will give a good clue for minimizing the selection. I am starting from the face. Suppose a patient is, you are observing that even during winter season or summer season or rainy season, whatever, that you are observing that patient is perspiring over the facial region, it is oily face. You are definitely, you are thinking that it is an oily face. So oily face, during pregnancy it is natrum mute. Otherwise mostly thuja and plumba metallicum will come. So oily face, you are observing that in the clinic patient has come that sweating only on the uncovered part, with a half sleep patient, and you are observing that the uncovered part, that is the forehand, is producing sweat, perspiration on uncovered part. At least we can think of most probably thuja is coming. Like that you are observing, a patient is telling doctor that all the skin eruption around the margin of my hair. So skin diseases at the margin of the hair, that may be a good clue for prescribing natrum mute. A patient with phelons, repeated hangnails, that may be another good clue for prescribing natrum mute. A patient, a chilly patient, I am telling chilly, constipated with profuse sweating, all on a sudden you are telling, or the patient is telling, that white spots on the nail, it may be a good clue for prescribing Silicea. A patient with yellow teeth without history of taking your tetracycline group of medicine, and mother is complaining, doctor, my child, I am using lots of toothpaste or brushing every day, but teeth are yellow, may be a good clue for prescribing tuberculinum. You are observing that a patient is rubbing the abdomen with cirrhosis of liver or hepatitis or malaria, whatever it is, but the patient is rubbing the abdomen with the pain in liver region, may be a good clue for our podophyllum. A patient is suffering from gastric pain and patient is rubbing our stomach region, rubbing, may be a good clue for prescription of lycopodium, because gastric pain better by rubbing stomach is a very good indication for the lycopodium. Like this, you are observing a patient of cirrhosis of liver, you are treating a cirrhosis of liver or the liver atrophy or the chronic liver diseases, and what you are observing, a finer rash on the abdomen, only on the liver region, finer red rash on the abdomen, and most probably the selenium is coming. So this is the way we can think. The patient is coughing, as I told previously also, holding the head during coughing, one group of medicine, holding the neck during coughing, one medicine is coughing, holding of the chest with both hands, another group medicine of coming, holding the lower part of the left lobe with greenish expectoration, another medicine is coming, holding abdomen during coughing, another group of medicine, that you have to go through materia medica. Even the child spasmodically holds the genitals during coughing, another group of medicine is coming. spontaneously touching the thigh during coughing, spontaneously, involuntarily, as soon as you are observing that patient is coughing and he touches that is one group of medicine. And for your information, that patient is telling, doctor, I develop cramp in the calf muscle, cramp in the calf muscle. During coughing, the only medicine is Materia Medica. I am not disclosing the name of the medicine where patient is holding your chest, holding your head, holding left side or right side. Go through Materia Medica, and that is the pleasure or the beauty that even in cough, how our body or our hands are doing, our eyes are doing, and our forehead are doing. Why I am telling forehead? During coughing or talking, or even during respiratory distress, especially you are observing the frowning of the forehead. You are observing the patient is, what's your name, what's your complaint, you are asking. Before giving any answer, patient is frowning, very much critical, maybe a good indication of mycobodium. Alanazai, the involuntary nostrils, movement of the nostrils during acute respiratory distress, maybe it is a good indication for the entim tart, provided other symptoms are corroborating. So, be a good observer with good analysis. Find out in which Materia Medica, on which drug is written, and more you apply this type of your observation capability will be improved, and very quickly you can grasp the essence or beauty of the Materia Medica, provided you can corroborate that symptoms with other group of symptoms, because we never prescribe on single symptoms, but definitely you can draw a picture even with this type of observation. A patient is lying only on the left side with respiratory distress, with greenish expectoration, and we see what is sweet. You are observing that even during lying down, patient is always lying on left side. Maybe a patient of our Stannum metallica. A patient lying on left side with hepatic problem, mostly it will be a medicine for your mark salt. A patient better by lying on left side but desiring warm water, maybe a good indication for the chelidonium. A patient with hepatic or gastrohepatic problem cannot lie on the left side because it aggravates the complaint. Maybe a good indication of our tilia. Like that, in respiratory distress, patient is complaining that, sir, as soon as I lie down on left side, my respiratory difficulties faded away. I cannot lie on right side because it produces respiratory difficulty. Respiration difficult, better by lying on left side. There is a good medicine, a smaller medicine, but you will get a beautiful clinical results if really it is confirmed by the patient. Yes, only if I lie on left side, I feel better, my respiratory difficulties faded away. The name of the medicine is Custodium. So this peculiar sitting posture, standing posture, lying down posture, only on observation, definitely in some conditions or some dread situation of the disease, acute crisis, it will help a lot, and you have to learn Materia Medica in this fashion also.